All right, guys, so I have this item that UPS just dropped off for me. It's from this company. It's called Boostane Octane Engineering. The thing that I'm trying to figure out with this Boostane is when I have a full tank of gas, or I have 93 octane gas, instead of me driving around running the gas out of my car trying to get to the track, is there a way for me to increase the octane level? So I really want to give this a try, and they were kind enough to send this out to me, so we'll see how it goes. Let me get this thing opened up here. All right, looks like I'm gonna have to go beast mode, guys. There we go. All right, so here we go. Let's see what we got. We got some Boostane Octane stickers, black and white. Okay. And 6 cans off in the box. So Boostane Octane Engineering Professional. So that's what we're going to try, guys. So guys, I think the way I'm going to test this is I'm going to go with the 103 because I really want to make sure that I have enough octane. I know the Demon has that sensor in there, and it will tell you if the octane level is available or not. So I'm thinking 15 gallons of gas in my car, put this in here. Man, that's going to be quite a savings. I'll get back with you guys later and give you some pricing on how much this costs, but imagine taking this to the drag strip instead of taking a big 5-gallon gas can. Anyway, let's get this over to the dyno and run it and test it and see how it does. All right, guys, we had a change of plans. I didn't get to make it out to go dyno. I got a student that was getting ready for a big fight coming up, so went out to help coach him in this particular event. It's called a Fight to Win event. Man, my student did a hell of a job. It's a guy by the name of Buddy Roberts. He's a former UFC fighter, but he went in and represented the school very well. It's a submission-only tournament, but I was real proud of the outcome and how he represented Gracie Barra. And guys, if you're ever in the Burleson, Texas area, I believe Buddy's going to be opening up a Gracie Barra school coming soon in that particular area. But let's get back to what we were talking about with the Boostane. So guys, basically with this Boostane, what I did was went to Quick Trip gas station, filled my gas tank up pretty much. The gas tank is 18.5 with a 93 octane. And then I put a bottle and a half off inside of my gas tanks. All right, guys, so let's take a look. I just put the Boostane in. I just left the gas station. But just to show you guys, you got to mix this stuff. So look, I'm going to press the high octane button, and pretty sure the hot octane is not available. So just because it says the fuel is on or is there, it's not available yet because it hadn't had a chance to mix. So if you get on the car, it should throw up a code showing that the hot octane is not available. So we'll jump out here and we'll punch it here just a little bit when we get to a good location. You know what, I'm gonna wait till we're at a better location so we don't run ourselves off the road. Okay guys, so if you notice, look, I'm gonna press the high octane button. We just put the fuel in here. It says high octane quality too low. I just got on it a little bit and it canceled itself out. So when you put your high octane fuel in through like a Boostane, you're gonna have to wait till you clear everything out of the fuel rail system and it's had a chance to mix around in the tank. So I'm gonna drive around a little bit before I head to the dyno, and if you can see, I have a full tank of gas, and then we'll test it again and see if it holds up after it gets mixed in. All right, guys, I'll holler at you in a minute. I've had a chance to mix the fuel in. Let's see what we got here with a little pull on the freeway. If Stays in high octane mode. So we're staying in high octane mode, so it's recognizing the high octane definitely. So next we need to get it over to the dyno and see what we got. All right, guys, it's Demonology. We're back here at Gearheads, getting the demon tested on some Boostane high octane race fuel. We'll see how that's gonna come out. Good or bad, I'm gonna give them my honest opinion on it, and we'll see how it's gonna do. Hey guys, there's Phil. Everybody say hi to Phil.
Hi, Phil.
There you go. Hey, Phil is the man, guys. If you need anything done at Gearheads, when you call up here, make sure you speak to Phil and he'll get it done. We just so happen to have Joey here. That's the guy that's going to be testing the car, putting it on the dyno, my main man. Everybody loves his tattoo, especially my kids, because he has Adventure Time on there. Let's see Adventure. Man, my kids are like, I want to see his tattoo. So there you go, Adventure Time, dude. Can't get better than that. Send me some stuff. Okay, Boostane ball cap. I like caps. Let's see what we got here. A Boostane shirt. Let's see how big it is. It's an XL. Maybe I can get this to one of my boys because I need one more X on it. Maybe I'll lose some weight and I can wear it later. But man, I like that. Horsepower in a bottle. Okay, well, we're gonna see if it's gonna work or not. I'm here at Gearheads and Phil is getting ready to throw the car up on the dyno, and you know, we'll see what we're gonna do. So here we go.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I l funky. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Shut up and take my money.
I mean, look at the convenience of this thing, Phil. I mean, it's convenient in so many ways. One of the big things I think that it's going to save me from is when I get ready to go to the track, if I'm driving my car around, obviously I'm not going to be driving around with race fuel. at $78 for 5 gallons, you know. So I have to drive my 93 Octane out, and sometimes, you know, you got to go 150 miles, you know, 170 miles to drive that out. Come on, I can just add this and, you know, go on my way. And
oh yeah, keep a bottle in the trunk.
Man, I can add this and head to the track. And if I need more than that, I can take a whole box. You know, a box of this holds 6. Come on, man. I mean, you can't get better than that.
Convenience.
Yeah.
Small package, lightweight.
You know, where the real test is going to be on the track. What kind of performance that I'm going to see? First of all, I've tested the Sunoco, which was a current king, on a 1/4 mile track, and I was able to get a 10.2 with that. So now we're going to put this. Hopefully we can hook better, and we'll see if we can get, you know, produce some of the same results, if not better.
Well, the dyno results are in, just waiting on the track results.
There you go, brother. Wow, guys, I'm really impressed with the numbers that the Boostane put out. You know, I found out about the Boostane from a YouTube channel called TheTuningSchool. Those guys test a lot of fuel, and they seem to make some good numbers using the Boostane, so I thought I'd try it for myself. I reached out to Boostane in order to purchase some of it, and they send me a case of it to check out. They also sent me an email saying that if I liked what I saw, that it's a promo code you can put in, you can get 10% off of it. All I can say is try it for yourself, guys. I've always been a skeptic of stuff like this, but man, this thing really made a believer out of me. Demonology, I'm out. Peace.
One, two, three, funky.